to Ekom Nkam Waterfalls.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On this same day we'll be visiting Ekom Nkam Waterfall, also called in French Chute de Ekom Nkam. After we left from the Dibombe waterfall, we had to come to this beautiful Ekom Nkam Waterfall. Come experience this place with me. I know you're enjoying this waterfall already, but before I continue, I would like you to please press that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so when next I upload a video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. After all our buses were parked at the entrance into the waterfall, our tour guide, Mr. Olivier, who works with partnership with Travel Cameroon, which is the agency organizing this trip. Shout out to them, they did a wonderful job. I will leave their Instagram and their TikTok page on the channel. So he had to explain to us that this place had two entrances. The entrance right behind him takes you directly to the area view of the waterfall that's on top of the waterfall, and the other one he was showing will take you to the bottom of the waterfall. So he also told us the stairs leading to the area view is about 82 stairs, if I haven't made a mistake, about 82 stairs, which will lead us to that waterfall view. So this is us trying to go down the stairs, and it was interesting. And as soon as we got here, we discovered that the water is kind of dried off. So he was explaining to us, like I've shown you before, this is a twin waterfall. Ekom Nkam is a twin waterfall. Usually when it's raining season, this place is all full with water, and when it's full, the male side of the waterfall, which is the smaller one that was shown in the picture, will flow through this direction right down. But because it's dry season right now that we are visiting this place, the male side is dried up. So we just had to stand here, enjoy the place, take pictures, and of course catch cruise. This is where the second waterfall forms. There's another one that way, but because it's a dry season, they say this is dried up. So when you come here during the rainy season, you're going to have this place full with water. All of this will be full with water, and it'll be basically impossible to stand here like we are doing today. We are right on top of the female waterfall section, which is flowing. So this is the part which is actually flowing right now. I'm making this video because standing here without the water, it's so sweet, and I'd love to come here again when it's raining season, so that I'll be able to see the difference between the dry season when I was here standing and when it's rainy season. So keep that in mind, that video will come up when it's rainy season. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do press the subscribe button, and also like, share, and promote this video on our other social media platform. Let us all together as a community discover Cameroon and put Cameroon out there. Looking a bit further, I also discovered there are two smaller waterfalls. Maybe these bigger waterfalls gave birth to babies. Who knows? Everything is possible in modern nature. Over there you can see the other stairs that will lead to the bottom of this waterfall. So we have to go around to take them. Alright, we are on our way to see the Ekom Nkam Waterfall. We just left from seeing the area view, so we have to go now see the view from the bottom. These stairs, they say, is 315 stairs this way. The other one was 82 stairs. So we have to go down gently. It's not easy, guys. I'm guessing this is the stream that leads to the other two smaller waterfalls that I saw down there.
Team.
This is the winning team.
Yes.
Yeah, we are still around. We share the joy. We share happiness.
Oh my God, the view as we walked into this waterfall was so mesmerizing. Yeah, normally there are two waterfalls there when it's the rainy season. You have, it's called the twin waterfall of Ekom Nkam. So Ekom Nkam twin waterfall. The big one is usually the female, and the small one which is there, it is dried up for now, but when it's rainy season you can actually see it there. So for now, you just have to do with the female. As I stood mesmerized, I would like you to take some time to enjoy this beautiful view with me and listen to the sound of nature. As we draw close to the end of this video, I would like to take some time out to talk to some of my friends that we together in this trip. Mr. Abdul,
yes,
welcome to Cameroon.
Thank you,
Mr. Abdul, I just met him in this trip. He's from Chad and he's finding this country fantastic. Not so?
Of course.
So your first, I guess it's your first trip in Cameroon, right?
Of course, yes.
So Mr. Abdul, tell us about this trip. What do you think about this beautiful waterfall you see in Cameroon? Cameroon, Le Continent, we have everything. So tell me, what do you think about it?
Primarily, it's a very good thing. I saw the adverts on social media, especially Instagram, and I decided to try this trip with you guys to discover your cultures, your patrimony, and so many things about the environment. And to be honest, I really like it. I enjoyed it, and especially the nice people that I have met. It creates a very good experience for me.
Oh, that's wonderful from Mr. Abdul.
Yes.
So you're going to encourage other Chadians like you, whenever they come to Cameroon, they should at least patronize travel Cameroon to use this opportunity.
You guys, you have to join because I'm still enjoying the bliss of the continent.
All right, thank you, Mr. Abdul, and we're going to see you next time.
Monsieur Guy,
Bonsoir.
comment tu vas?
Très bien.
La journée?
Très bien.
Comment tu trouves ce magnifique voyage alors?
Ah, je trouve ça très exceptionnel, très original aussi.
Ok.
Pour la première expérience que je fais en visite dans, dans mon cher pays, dans mon beau pays, je trouve ça très exceptionnel et très pertinent.
Ok. Je vois que la découverte de ce paysage te fait apprendre beaucoup de choses sur la nature, sur ton pays et le patrimoine en question.
Oui, beaucoup de choses. Et on n'est pas habitué à découvrir notre pays, à faire du tourisme. Donc il faudrait que on cultive ça déjà, que de temps en temps on essaye de découvrir d'autres horizons dans notre cher beau pays.
Ok. Et la dernière question est comment tu trouves, je veux dire, les gens dont tu as voyagé avec, c'est-à-dire ton expérience, ton interaction avec les autres tels que moi, tes amis du bus, l'ambiance, comment tu décris tout ça?
Exceptionnel encore une fois de plus. Toutes les personnes que j'ai fait la rencontre aujourd'hui, que ce soit dans le bus, que ce soit hors, tous ceux qui sont de la délégation sont exceptionnels. Ils sont très accueillants, ils sont relationnels et c'est comme ça que la famille se crée. Donc, c'est une très bonne expérience que je suis en train de vivre en ce moment.
Waouh, merci beaucoup. Et là, tu lances déjà un message de motivation pour les autres de te rejoindre au prochain voyage.
Bien sûr. Je lance la motivation, je lance un défi à tout le monde de rejoindre ce groupe, cette agence pour découvrir le Cameroun.
Merci beaucoup, mon frère.
Merci à toi.
Thank you guys for watching. Every good thing comes to an end. So we have to climb back the 315 stairs going back up, and I can see people are all fatigued. Lest I forget, this is Arbre Tarzan. That is Tarzan tree. If you remember the movie Tarzan. Alright, part 3 will be coming up tomorrow because this trip was planned for 2 days and we had one more site to go. But first, the day ended with us creating a bonfire. We came back to the hotel, it was really done. The group had to take their dinner, we served with some beautiful Cameroon dishes like koki, fried plantain, and some fruits. What a nice dinner. The night was ended with the bonfire games like truth or dare. It was very entertaining, but I had to go sleep because I was thinking of the mountain I have to climb tomorrow. That video will be uploaded soon. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell.